To begin the consent to pay fees and costs process, click the Start New Action button. Start New Action is a drop-down menu with clock and clipboard icons. The clock icon displays your most recent processes. If the consent to pay fees and costs process does not appear in recent processes, select the clipboard icon to display all the process groups. Select Claims. Scroll through Claims. Select Consent to pay fees and costs. CompHub displays the Start New Action form. Search for a claim with the help of the claim number or advanced filter feature. Enter the claim number. Click on the Search button. You can see the results in the table. Select the claim number. Click the Create button. Click the Reset button to reset the form. Advanced filtering allows the user to search for a claim if the claim number is unknown. Select the Advanced checkbox. Selecting the accident date requires the last name of the claimant. Enter the claimant's last name. Click on the Search button. Click the Create button. CompHub will display the Submit Consent to Pay Fees and Costs screen. You can see the claim number, claimant's name, employer, and insurer details. Answer the question, is there a hearing date associated with this document? Choosing Yes will reveal the hearing details section along with hearing date and status details. Answer the question, is there an order associated with this document? Choosing Yes will display the Select Prior Order section. Click on the Reload Orders button to refresh the orders list. Select the prior orders from the orders list. Choose the name of the commissioner from the drop-down if you know the name of the commissioner. Review the consent to pay fees and costs. Enter the itemized fees and costs and please attach additional pages as necessary. For reimbursement of costs, copies of receipts for advanced expenses must be attached. Do not attach ledger sheets. For medical fees, copies of medical bills with CPT codes must be attached for consideration. Do not attach medical reports. Check the Certified checkbox. Click the Generate Consent to Pay Fees and Costs button to generate the document. CompHub displays the Consent to Pay Fees and Costs document in a pop-up. Review the document and click the Print button to print the document. Click the OK button to close the pop-up. Please select Yes to upload consent, costs and expenses and medical fees documents as a single file. Once the signed consent form is available, check the Upload Signed Documentation as a single file checkbox. Upload the signed consent form by clicking on the Upload icon. The supporting documentation for costs and expenses is as follows. Copies of receipts for advanced expenses must be attached. Ledger sheets are not accepted. Copies of canceled checks, copies of electronic payment, bank transaction receipts, copies of receipts, copies of invoices stamped paid. Medical fees supporting documentation includes the following. Copies of medical bills with CPT codes must be attached for consideration. Letters explaining a special written report, or review of a special report from a medical provider. By selecting No to upload consolidated document, you can upload individual documents separately. Once the signed consent form is available, check the Upload Signed Consent to Pay Fees and Costs form checkbox. Upload the signed consent form by clicking on the upload icon. If submitting costs and expenses to be reimbursed, please check Costs and Expenses Supporting Documentation checkbox. Click the upload icon to upload the files. Check the Medical Fees checkbox to upload the medical bills with CPT codes and letters explaining special written report, or review of special report from medical provider. Click the upload icon to upload the files. Complete the certifications and signature section. Use the Save button to review and save the process in your inbox until you obtain the signed consent form. Click the Submit button to submit the process. In the case of a future hearing date, the document will be saved in the Commission's records. If the hearing date has passed, the case will be forwarded to the Commissioner's assistant. Congratulations! You successfully completed the Consent to Pay Fees and Costs training video.